Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we will see unit 6 things we can do. 17th chapter of ENV pottery. Pottery is made of clay. First of all, the clay is prepared by pressing and squeezing it by hand. This makes it soft and smooth and removes the air bubbles, which may otherwise crack the clay when it is baked. Look at this potter squeezing, kneading, flattening, and rolling the wet clay. See this potter is doing that all. Squeezing, kneading, flattening. Okay. Now the second paragraph is of the potter's wheel. Okay, now we will start. The pots are made on the potter's wheel. This is a flat, round, wooden or metal surface that turns when the motor shapes the clay on it. This wheel may be powered using electricity or moved when the potter rotates it. A large lump of clay is placed in the potter's wheel or chuck. जैसे लम्प मीन्स वो ढकला वो ओके तो चाक मीन्स वो पोटर्स व्हील को दूसरे शब्द में कहते हैं चाक. ओके नाउ आगे चलते. Then the potter sets the wheel moving while supporting. Supporting means support the that मतलब कि साथ. The clay with both his hands. The potter keeps on splashing water. Splashing means वो थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी छाते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी डालते हैं, उसे splashing water कहते हैं. On the clay. Slowly the clay on the wheel begins to take shapes. Slowly वो शेप लेने में सफल हो जाता है. ओके. He pinches and pulls the wet clay, makes the mouth of the pot. Then he takes a string and cut off the base of the pot from the clay lump of the wheel. Now, then he carefully places the wet pot to dry. After some time, the pot is baked in a slow fire in furnace or of a kiln or oven. These dyed pots can be painted with bright colors to make them look beautiful. Now, next paragraph is of pottery. Pottery can also be made by the slab method. In this method, a rolling pin is used to flatten a clay lump which has been prepared. Equal slabs are cut and then joined together with a paste of water and clay. Okay, now next paragraph. अर्ली पॉटर मतलब कि पहले के समय में जो पोटर्स थे उसमें अब तो मॉडर्न डेज में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और वो सब के मेटल सरफेस के होते, और पहले के समय में सिर्फ लकड़ी के ही वो पोटर्स व्हील होते थे. ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Early pottery. Early pots were used to fill waters, to store grains, to cook, and to bury the remains of the dead. The old pots has designed and pictures painted on them. Large pots called URNs were used to store grains or to store the ash. Ash means ash मतलब वो ash मतलब ash मतलब वो राख सी जलते हैं उसमें रश भी रखते हैं. Of the deed in India. A kundi was a flat pot with a raised edge 2 or 3 inches. Diyas are made of clay during Diwali. Okay, now next page. Have you heard something using an earthen pot to play beats as one is tabla? This is called a gatham and is popularly used in Carnatic music. Okay, this is gatham. This is pot, and these people make it gatham. Okay. Now you can make your own musical instrument. Take 6-8 empty clay pots. Use 2 pencils or drumsticks and streak them to produce sound. Grade them according to their sound as the baked clay gives a deep metal sound. Bye, students.